Let's talk about cycling nutrients through ecosystems on page 159. Chemicals and nutrients in the ecosystems cycle. They make up our bodies, other organisms, such as plants and animals, and they are very, very important. Cycling through the ecosystem should be constant. The constant cycling of substances is a part of the cycle of life, death, and decay. Microorganisms like bacteria and fungi are those responsible for the decaying process. They play a key role in recycling. They break down complex organic molecules in the bodies of dead animals and plants, and they turn them into simpler substances, inorganic molecules, which they release to the environment. These inorganic molecules are what plants will use to make food and grow. And this is how the decaying process decomposes dead organisms to make food for plants that will become living organisms. And that is how these decomposers will play a role in the recycling of nutrients. In this stage, complex organic molecules like carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids are converted into simpler molecules. These simpler molecules are what are used to make plants, and plants then become the food of higher organisms, and the higher organisms as well as the plants will then die, and they will be decomposed to make simple nutrients once again, and that's how the cycle is going to happen. It is called a cycle because the starting point will then become the ending point, which is also the starting point, and the cycle will start again and again. The cycle of life. In the next videos, we will see cycles like the carbon cycle, the water cycle, and the nitrogen cycle.